What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at the Billie Eilish doll. I bought this doll at Target for $29.99. Originally, I pre-ordered this doll from store.billieeilish.com. However, it has not arrived yet. Ships in 8 weeks? So yeah, when I saw it at my local store, I went ahead and got it. Ooh, now I can be like a collector who keeps one in the box. Because we all know what's probably going to happen to her clothes. What? She has like a casual style, and that's like my favorite look. The box is brown with black artwork. It says music video series at the top. You can see the doll's face. There is a drawing of Billie Eilish. It says Billie Eilish bad guy on the side. 10.5-inch fashion doll, fully posable diorama display. At the bottom it says package transforms and scan me. On the side of the box it says Billie Eilish bad guy. That repeats on the other side. Hey, my box is already open. On the back of the box it says her name at the top. There is a picture of the doll on a display. A picture of the artist down at the bottom. On the side, it says, relive your favorite Billie Eilish music video moment. 10.5-inch collectible fashion doll, highly detailed, fully posable, dressed in her iconic yellow hooded sweatshirt and pants. Eco-friendly package transforms into diorama display that brings doll to life. Doll stand included. This doll is made by Playmates Toys. And I really hope that everything is inside, because my box is already opened. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go ahead and open the box. Inside, we have some instructions that show you how to assemble the stand, and it says single stitches hold doll hood hair in place. Simply pull the stitch to release from hood and hair. Okay. I'm guessing this is the doll, so let's flip that over. And there she is. Oh, that just opens up like this. Whoa. What? The packaging is that simple? No way. Okay, so I love that. Absolutely love that. Very, very easy to unbox this doll. She comes right out. Under the doll, we find the doll stand, where we can just follow the instructions to assemble. The way this packaging is done, you can unbox this doll, then put her back in the box, and you would never even know. That is genius. Absolutely brilliant. Well, except for the fact that the seal would be broken. Give me a moment to gush over this box. I know I get excited about the most random things. There is almost no plastic in this packaging. All we have is this little square right here from the window. What is this? Like that egg carton material? Love it! Little confession, I've never actually listened to a Billie Eilish song. I'm a doll collector, this is a doll, that's why we're here. But I am so impressed by just the packaging that I'm gonna go listen to one right now, so give me a moment. Yeah. Okay, so she's got a really soft, kind of mellow voice with some really cool beats. Whoa, this doll totally has like her vibe. Which is kind of obvious because it's a doll of her. Back to my most favorite box ever. To transform the box, we need to flip the sides to the back, then take the top of the box, flip it around. Oh, we gotta tuck in all these little tabs here. And we're done. Okay, so yeah, that is amazing. I'm gonna place the rest of the packaging inside of it to keep it safe in case I ever wanna put my doll back in the box. Yo, that means there is like zero waste. Okay, so whoever designed this doll box needs to design every doll box like everywhere. In my opinion, of course. I guess we should get to the actual doll. Whoa, did you see this little lever on the doll stand? It allows you to move it and then you can just push it back down and it stays. What? Remove the string from her hair. And now we can remove the hood. She has teal and black hair. It is layered. The hair is pretty soft. We do have a nice amount of product in the front, making these parts kind of crunchy. So now we have to either brush or wash that out. I've brushed the product out. We do have some puffy hair going on. If I wanted that to lay down, I could just do a hot water rinse. Dude, that's kind of bothering me. So we'll be back. And we're back. Her eyes are like looking into my soul. The combination of those pale blue eyes and the dark hair is so striking. The face sculpt is really cool. I mean, look at those nostrils. I'm not trying to be gross, but wow. The details here are pretty impressive. You can see little hairs on her eyebrows. She has some dark eye makeup. I really like this overall look. If you look really closely at her eyes, you do notice that they are pixelated. It looks like they were digitally printed. But since her face has like realistic proportions and her eyes are about the size you would expect a real human's eyes to be, they're not like enlarged or anything, you don't really notice it that much. The lip color is smooth, so far I am pretty happy. Now let's check out the clothes. She wears an oversized yellow hoodie. There are ribbed cuffs at the bottom of the sleeves and at the bottom of the sweatshirt. The hood is mostly sewn up. There is a little bit of space there that allows you to put it onto the doll. It does Velcro in the back. This is a real pocket. Yeah! Her pants are made out of a slightly darker yellow material. They have an elastic waistband. They kind of balloon out. This is really cool. And there are some cargo pockets on the legs. They are real pockets! Oh my goodness! Yellow and black ribbon decorate the bottom of the pants. And she wears a pair of sculpted yellow sneakers. The bottom of the shoes are painted, so you do see a little bit of change in color, which kind of reminds me of the color change between the sweatshirt and the pants. She is definitely rocking a monochromatic style, and I love it. No, for real. These are some great fashion pieces. But what about the articulation? This doll does stand at about 10.5 inches. It looks like she is a little over. She has really good rotation at the neck, movement at the shoulder, the elbow. What? Wait a minute. Yo, look at that range. That's like a made to move elbow. Okay, now you're just going for bonus points. She has movement at the wrist, at the waist, the hip, and the knee. Wait, ooh, she's got some good range there. Nice. And there is a joint at the ankle. Check that out. There is movement at the bottom of her neck, so you can kind of move her whole neck and her head. Whoa. The more articulation, the more poses we can do. The only thing that could have made this doll better would have been an upper arm joint, so we could have had some rotation right there. And an upper thigh joint, because, you know, why not? In my personal opinion as a doll collector, this is a really nice doll. Even if you are not a Billie Eilish fan, there are definitely some great pieces here. The fashion appears to be well made, with some great details like real pockets. This is a fully articulated doll in a light skin tone. She's a pretty close match to this made-to-move Barbie. Overall, I really like this doll. I think it is a great gift for a Billie Eilish fan and for the doll collector who appreciates fashion. And did I mention how the packaging is like zero waste? Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Billie Eilish doll. I never put her on the box. Pretty nice. Let us know in the comments down below if this doll is a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!